Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shutting off power to the HVAC. This protects you and the system. Remove the first vent cover now using a screwdriver. Place screws in a small container so they won't get lost. Next, put on an N95, gloves and eye protection because dust and debris will dislodge. Once the cover is off, use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clear loose dust from the register opening. This first pass reduces airborne particulate before deeper cleaning. Now you feed a rotary brush on a flexible rod into the duct, while an assistant runs a heparined shop vacuum at the register to capture dislodged debris. Work in 2-3 foot increments, rotating the brush and pulling it back slowly so the vacuum can collect material. This minimizes what goes into your home. Once the brush pass is complete, use a damp cloth with mild detergent to wipe accessible surfaces. This removes residue and prevents dust from reattaching. Finish by reinstalling vent covers and restoring HVAC power, then check airflow at each register to confirm improved circulation. If you still smell dust or mold, make sure you installed a new filter and run the system for 24 to 48 hours to purge residues. If suction or cleaning effectiveness seemed weak, turn power off. Reseal the vacuum hose at the register and repeat the brush pass. Poor seals or an overloaded vacuum are the most common problems to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.